Hello and welcome back, scholars. Today our learning target is I can partition a rectangle into rows and columns of same size squares and count to find the total. The way we're going to count today is by skip counting. Now, as you recall, when you have the section that goes up and down or is positioned vertically, these are the columns. The sections that are from left to right or right to left, otherwise known as horizontal or horizontally fashioned, those are called your rows. We have our columns and our rows. All right, so first we're going to skip count by rows. Now, how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. Each one is going to have 4. So let's skip count by 4s. Or skip count by rows. So that would be 1, 4. Now we need 4 more. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 plus 4 more is 12. So there are a total of 12 squares. Now let's, I should have done that in pink. Excuse me. Let's just go ahead and revise that. Excuse me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then skip counting by 4s. We have 4, 8, 12. Okay. Now, columns. Let's skip count by columns. Columns go up and down. So now we have, let's make that a green 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 in each column. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So we're going to count 3. Now, 3 more would be 6. 3 more would be 9. And then 3 more would be 12. Look at that. We received the same answer as we did when we were counting the rows, because the number of squares has not changed. Just our method of counting has changed. In this case, we're counting by rows, skip counting by rows. In this case, we're skip counting by columns. We look forward to you partitioning a rectangle into rows and columns of same size squares and skip counting in this case, to find the total.